HP has always been at the forefront of new PC technologies, and its Z by HP range is one of its most powerful and secure workstation PCs. As disruptive as Z by HP range is, the communication around the range called for an equally path-breaking approach to create the required buzz. A more contextual and focused communication approach was needed to effectively reach a wide spectrum of TG. We started with studying the product to understand its application and relevance across several industry verticals, followed by extensive research to better understand the unique needs of professionals from specific industries in terms of current and emerging technologies. Basis our learnings, a contextual and industry-specific approach was deployed to effectively engage with the target audience sets. We decided on an email strategy that focused on persona-driven messaging in conjunction with key data points around TG's workflow challenges. To achieve effective personalization, we formulated custom messaging to engage the audience, highlighted key SPs of the device that resonated with target professionals, mentioned inbuilt features relevant to the target industry, recommended the most suitable Z by HP device for the specific industries. For instance, a media and entertainment professional requires the right combination of computing power and color-perfect displays to churn out impactful content rapidly, whereas a finance professional prioritizes extremely secure and uninterrupted response time to be more productive. To address this, every piece of content we developed was tailor-made to address TG's unique needs. We created multiple variants of visuals and messaging to target different professionals across industries. The emails employed several modules combining imagery, copy, KSPs, relevant software, and recommended products based on the identified workflow challenges. The result: creation of a personalized consumer experience through hyper-contextual emails resulted in a steep rise in customer queries and meaningful improvement in creative professionals' workflow.